12. What is the solution to this equation? Negative 12x minus 7 equals 53. We've got a two-step equation here with algebra. First thing we want to do is isolate the variable. Isolate means take that variable and make it sit by itself, so we have x on one side and the value on the other side. So what we need to do that is we need to use inverses and opposite relationships to figure this out. So negative 12x, x is attached to negative 12, so let's get rid of the integer negative 7 first. So if we subtract 7, we can think of it like a balance scale. If we have subtract 7, we can add 7 and they'll meet at 0 in the middle. So when we add 7, if we do that to the left-hand side, we have to do that to the right-hand side, just like the balance scale, otherwise things are all off. So let's see what we have. Like we just talked about, negative 7 plus 7 is 0. So we actually simplify that side of the equation. And let's do the same to the other side. We have 60, because 53 plus 7 is 60. Now, what we have left is negative 12x equals 60. Well, negative 12x, when that variable is attached to that number, it's multiplication. What's the opposite process of multiplication? Division. So we're going to take negative 12x and divide it by negative 12. And we have to do that on both sides to keep it balanced. So negative 12 divided by negative 12, anything divided by itself is 1. So 1x equals the value of 60 divided by negative 12, which is negative 5, because a positive divided by a negative is negative. So what do we have for our answer? We have x equals negative 5.